Hi, Luke Kenneth, Harvest Agents here. We're selling Northwest Farm Machinery, located in Quirindi in the heart of Liverpool Plains. A remarkable business that's been operating for over 25 years. 50 of well-known Australian agricultural brands are on sale here. We've got a wonderful service area, spare parts, office admin and 2 residences across a block in total of 3,600 square metres. A great business. If you're looking for a business in a very strong agricultural area, please call myself on the following numbers to organise an inspection and an information memorandum.